Hello guys, it's Ghost Study here. It's been a long time and I'm back with another video. Before starting the video, if you have any questions regarding this video or any other situations, you can ask me that questions on Facebook or leave a comment in the video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. So today's video is about one of prominent universities of Germany, FAU Erlangen. Its admission are still open, and as you can see, they will end at the deadline for the non-EU citizens for this application is 31st of May. You can apply now if you want to. Now, how do you apply? First, you have to register in FAU IDM system, which is very important. So you will start by filling out the required information, and if you don't have a surname like this person here, then you either have two options. One, you can write the name, repeat it again as a family name, or two, add an hyphen. Whatever works for you, you can add both, but if you want to write an hyphen in the family name, that will work too. And if you want to go with the surname as your first name, you can do that too. These are the two options you have in order to complete to add a surname. Those who don't have a surname in their passports, fill up your entire documentation and everything. After that, what you will do is check your information for once again that there are no issues, no problem whatsoever. And if there are no problems, you can hit I have read the privacy policies and submit. Here you can see it's not working on hyphen. It doesn't work. So what I will do is I will write his name again, and that will usually work. And check once again if there is any information error or any problem with your anything you have provided wrong or anything missing. If there's nothing, submit. After that, you will receive an email containing your details, and you have to wait until you receive that email. Now you will go to your email and you will receive something like this, an IDM email. Click on that, and here you will find your details, your username here, and after you have to register this email. And then after that, once you check the terms and condition and save your recovery mail, create a password for yourself that you have to remember and do not forget. After you set the password and what you want, set password, and now is the time you can log in on the website. Click your login name, your IDM name, that is onto here. Enter your password, whatever you have taken as your password. Log in, and here you have to give the access to Campo. Apply, and now request. Now you will have to wait until you can log in into the system at Campo's portal. Now after some time, mostly about half an hour to 45 minutes, sign in at the Campo. Enter your login and password and log in. After you log in, you will see something like this. go to open application portal and winter semester 2025, start application, add request. Now you have to select what degree you have to do. For me is masters, and whatever the subject you want to do. There's a clean energy process degree program. Now it's tile site means part-time, and if you want to do part-time then you will be selecting this, but for this you have to select full-time. Now here enter your details, from which country you are. Here you will go with the abroad option, because most of you guys are applying from countries abroad, but other options are something who are inside Germany or are at different university, in some German school or something. But if subject specific entrance qualification are outside Germany will be your best bet for this. Now for those who are applying as in abroad, should write 4.5 year. After here you will write the date you have acquired the degree. After that, continue. Be careful of the format. After that, this will save. Head on continue. Have you completed vocational training? No. Have you completed national service in Germany? No. This is not for us. So what do you want to read the information? You can read it from here, but I will skip it. Have you applied at FAU before? If you have, then yes. Enter your semester, year and a letter of admission for that program. Otherwise, skip it. Now you have to upload your school living certificate. That will be your degree. And if your degree is in some other language than English and German language, then you have to upload the translation of that degree also. So here I will upload the degree and next. Oh, wrong side. After that, now this is something, if it's for you or if it's not, then please specify if you have obtained a degree in FAU. If you don't have any degree from FAU, then it's on no. After that, you have to present that your degree information which you have obtained from your country, home country. Write the name of the university you have attended last. Location of your university, in which city is the university located. Now web page of the university, and what type of your institution was it. If it was something inside the Germany or applied science, then this, but if you are applying from outside Germany, then this will be your option. What was your degree type? It was bachelor's degree, diploma or something, then you have to write there, but it's bachelor's degree. What was the degree program of your study? Right here. Is your degree program completed? If it completed, do you have the degree available, or if do you not have the degree available? Right here. From when did your degree program started? Right here. And when it ends? Right here. After that, what was the grade you obtained in this program? You have to write it here. What is the minimum possible grade you can obtain for passing marks? That is 2. And what is the maximum you can obtain? That is 4. It depends on the country you are applying from, but for Pakistan it's 4 and 2 most of the time. For ECTS, you can either leave it be or you can enter your graded hours, but I think you just have to leave it be. That's the best option for you. Now I've uploaded transcript, and remember your transcript must be certified by your whatever the institution available there. This is the degree. After uploading everything, the grading scale of the university, this is something very important. You have to upload it because this is required for them to assess if your grade is according to their standard or not. Grading policy. After that, check everything once again, then continue. If you want to add another study, like you have done masters or anything, then enter, otherwise continue. Have you ever lost the right for examination in Germany? What this is something you have come to Germany, you have given the exams, but your exams were not up to the standard and you failed 3 times. Then you have lost the right to for the examination in Germany. If that is something that have happened to you, then yes and give it the reason, otherwise say no and next. Now what you have to do is upload your CNIC number, passport number, HST stamp for the bachelor's degree and HST stamp for the master's academic transcript. If you have masters, then also masters. Now after you put everything, hit continue. Now comes the main part. You have to give your language skills. If you have any German language proficiency, write your language level, upload your certificate, otherwise no language skills, and next. None. Next. For English, you have to submit a B2 minimum of B2 level for this to work. If you don't have any, then this will be a problem for you. If you are uploading English proficiency certificate or English proficiency letter, I recommend typing B2 or B1, whatever you want. But if you are uploading, I could say if you are uploading IELTS or TOEFL, then write the score. This is you don't have to do anything like that, but if you have any professional experience, add professional experience then. If you don't have any professional experience, then skip it. For this, first if you haven't done any internship during your studies, add internship. Which country did you do the internship? Add that and fill it up. After filling the all the experience you have, hit continue. Now, after filling the all this motivation letter and your resume and all the previous subject that are related to this degree, and hit continues. After this, if you have given any university any examinations, then select yes and give your detail. If you don't, if you haven't attended any student connect courses, then enter those. If no, then no and next. Now here, if you have any other certifications you can upload it here. If you don't have any certification, then just leave it be. Here you can upload, you have to say where you found this degree program at. For us it is that website, and after that next. If you have enrolled in FAU at any time in the past, then hit yes and give your matriculation number. If no, then press no and for continue. You can, it's up to you if you want the freshman emails or if you don't want the freshman emails. If you want, select yes. If you don't, then no. It doesn't matter. Now here is the overview. You have to see through everything, check everything. If there is any mistake, or if there is any mistake, if there is no mistake. If you find any mistake here, then go and change it. If there is no mistake, then hit hereby confirm and submit the application. And that's how you can apply an FAU courses. Thank you for watching this video until now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.